Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a wig install with this unit from Vivace, so keep on watching. So first of all, they sent this box of goodies with everything you need for the perfect install. So we have the Style Fixer Lace Bonding Spray. We also have the Edge Fixer 24-hour Max Hold Hair Wax Stick in the flavor Coconut. And we have the Tinted Lace Wig Powder in the color Medium Brown. It also comes with inserts that tells you how to care for the hair and how to install the unit. So let's get right into it. So we're really here for the wig, so let's see the wig. So this unit is from the Exceptional Essential Lace Front Wig Collection, and this is the unit number 8 in the color DR Burgundy. This unit is a lace front wig. It has transparent HD lace, soft and comfortable elastic band. It is glueless, and you can do heat styling up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This unit also comes in the colors 1B, 613, Coffee Brown, Sugar Brown, and Espresso. So we are going to get right into styling. This is a beginner-friendly wig install, so enjoy. And here is the final look. I absolutely love it, and the color is everything. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you rock her in this color, or would you pick a different color? I absolutely love this unit and I cannot wait to try more. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.